then I will ask somebody to come forward. And ready? So here we are. The town of Port Royal, the Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week, celebrating the Gullah Geechee Nation land and living legacy. Whereas the Africans began arriving on the Sea Islands in the 1500s, and whereas the population of the Africans increased as enslavements grew in the 1600s, and whereas the Africans began to engage with, in some instances, create families and indigenous Americans in the region, and whereas the descendants of this group are called the Gullah Geechee, and whereas this group is a self-sufficient people, came together in 1999 throughout the Sea Islands and the low country of the Carolinas, Georgia, Florida, and stand on their human rights and self-determination. And whereas this group took 1 year to elect their own leader, and whereas the elected and schooled St. Helena Island native, whose family roots are also stemmed within Palawan Island and Data Island, Queen Queet, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and whereas Queen Queet has served as the official head Dipandi and spokesperson for the Gullah Geechee Nation since July 2nd, 2000, and whereas the theme of this year's celebration is celebrating the Gullah Geechee land, living, and whereas we support the continuation of the Gullah Geechee culture, heritage, and sustainability of the Gullah Geechee Nation, I, Mayor Joe DeVito, of the town of Port Royal, do hereby proclaim July 31st through August 7th, Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Weekend, and call upon all our citizens to celebrate with the citizens of the Gullah Geechee Nation under the theme Celebrating the Gullah Geechee Land, Living, and Legacy. Please come forward, Jesus. Take that off. Hold it up. Touch it. It's all right. One more.
I'm gonna grab it real quick.
Thank you.
Ready, 1, 2, 3.
Pronounce was good?
We quit.
Yeah, it worked. Thank you. Yes,
absolutely.
please.
Good evening. How want to tell us to doing here?
Good.
Do good. I know Brother Darrell don't know why that crack he didn't see anything like that. They tried to run me before he did start. So I'm so glad for day one more again in Port Royal and things like that, and praise God that the city still standing after I saw some of the reports about the storm. So we've been praying for you that you heal fast, and so we're so glad that this year, Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week will launch right across the water. Y'all can board over, swim over, come over to St. Helena Island, July 31st at noon at the Martin Luther King Park. I know you know where that is. We are going to launch Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week with Gullah Geechee Family Day this year. So I hope everybody here in Port Royal will come over and celebrate with us. And also I just left one of the posters with the mayor as well, because the following Friday we'll be in Beaufort at the Legacy Gallery, and we will be bringing to life the artwork of Lisa Gilliard Rivers, who we will crack with teeth and things like that, except the pretty picture upon the wall can't crack your teeth like this show. All right? And so we're going to have a big celebration, and we're going to start right here in my home county, and I'm so happy that we can all get back together now, and praying that we all continue to heal, be blessed, and be safe. Thank you all so much. Appreciate your support.